Hi viewers, how are you? In this video I'm telling you about top 5 way to make money online. In this video I take you are just 3 minutes. Top 5 way to make money online. Let's begin. Drop shipping business. For online make money and freelance. You can make money online through freelancing. Dropshipping sell custom make a subscription, realistic at home. Making money from online medium setups. You may already know that affiliates eBay ads say you can create channels of freelance of work freelance of tasks on Amazon mechanical truck from your blog as an affiliate revenue from your blog website for cash someone else co-shares with affiliate marketings niche and start a blog YouTube channels and demand business design servers YouTube channels idea of sitting at home and some ways the source to make money. You can start making cash from the comfort zones out of comfort zone while working at homes ultimate site extra income long terms make money online as a beginners video to platform like YouTube's audio editors videos by offerings make money from his thoughts affiliate monetize blogs through Google AdSense limitless recent study summarizes SEO commissioned by promoting for beginners check out that passive income today and reach upload video in your YouTube channel make money online techniques so you can gain financial riders products with websites shippings and transactions and you will $25 media skill Facebooks maybe that's enough in this video if you are more subscribe my channel please subscribe my channel see you in the next video bye take care